Hello, this is Aashny Krishnan from Victory Visuals. On this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the volume bar not appearing or available on Windows 10 as shown here. Now, click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Scroll to find out Windows Explorer. In some cases, it might be down. Now right click or select Restart from below given option. This problem is faced by many who has a second gen and above system. This should now fix your problem. See, it's working now. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. This is Aashny signing out. Thank you.